Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your username in Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your username in Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first. And after opening the application, you will get to see these three bars into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that three bars and go to settings. And now after coming into settings, you just simply have to tap into profile and visibility option, and it will lead you to your web browser that you are using. And now after coming into this page, you just simply have to scroll down to all the way bottom and you will find the section of username into here. Just simply erase your current username from this section and then enter the new name that you want to set. Then after that, just simply tap into this save button and you are all set. You have successfully changed your username into Trello. This way you can easily change your username too. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.